Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I really just wanted to play around with some makeup again. I thought it was super fun doing that last time and just creating a really fun look. So I figured let's do that today. I actually just got done with work, so I do have a full face of makeup on, but I didn't put any false lashes on or eyeshadow. So I'm like, this is perfect because all I want to do today is play around with eyeshadow, so let's jump right in. So I colored my hair today. I haven't done that in forever. What are your thoughts? I like it. It's kind of looser today. Loose curls. I'm feeling it. Okay, I'm playing around with the James Charles palette. Let me zoom you babes in. Ooh, nice and close. Okay, I don't even know what I'm doing today. Literally, I feel like I'm so high up. Why am I so high up? I don't even know what I want to do. So today I really want to do like a fun rainbow type of a look, so I'm excited. So let's just jump right in. The first color I'm going to go in with is this really pretty pink shade. I am using my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brushes today. So I'm going in with my 39 brush. This is like a really nice small brush. It's perfect for doing makeup looks like this that require a lot of like intense, you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's do this. So I'm just gonna start by putting this right there. Since I am doing a rainbow look, I'm gonna have to really work with a small amount of lid just because my lid isn't that big. I realize that. But so I just have that pink right there. It actually blended out really quick. I don't have to really do anything else unless I want to make it a bit more pigmented, but that's honestly all that I want to do. The next color I'm going in with is orange. It is this orange shade right here. So I'm just kind of following just like different rainbowy colors, I guess. But this is the next color, so I'm just going to be popping that right next to the pink. And you just kind of want to make sure you're blending. I feel like this small brush is perfect for this because it's just so tiny that it puts the correct amount of pigment down, but you're still able to work in the little small areas that you need to get to. Are you guys blurry? I can't tell. The next color I'm going in with is this yellow shade right here. And in between each color that I'm doing, I'm just really making sure that I'm using like a tissue paper to wipe off the previous color off of my brush. This way the color isn't bleeding into the next one. I'm going to go back in with the orange just because I feel like I kind of lost it in between the pink and the yellow. Next, I'm going to go in with green. I'm going to go in with this one right here. I'm sticking with all of the brighter colors in James's palette just since this is a rainbow look, so I want to get the most pigment. And this green one, I can tell, is a little harder to blend out. But I think green is just a hard color. He's working though. We are feeling the rainbow, you guys. I'm just gonna go back in with that yellow shade to make sure that the green is just blending nicely on the edge. Next, I am gonna go in with this bright blue. I'm gonna go in with the lighter one out of James's colors. I'm gonna go back in with a green shade and just try and blend it a bit better. I don't know if you can tell, I don't know if my eyelid is just oily, but it's really picking up the pigment at the top. But I will be doing a cut crease later, so it might not matter. But yeah, my eyeball obviously just really wants this pigment. I am just going to continue. I'm going to go in with my last shade, which is purple. I'm going to go in with this one right here. And I just have to tuck this right in this corner. And it's going to be really small. And then I'm just going to kind of blend it with the blue. And then I'm just going to kind of go back in with each color and reapply it just to make sure that each color is kind of popping and the pigment is good. Okay, so now that the top lid is all done, I'm going to do the bottom. So I'm just going to follow the same color pattern. So I'm going to start with this pink and only do like that much just because I want to follow like the same line, if that makes sense. So next I just do the orange. I just have to be a bit smaller about where I place the product. I always say this, but I wish that like it was appropriate to wear eyeshadow like this, like on a daily. Like it's so fun. So this blue, I'm kind of tucking it almost all the way to the end. And then this purple, I'm just gonna kind of have to make it more of like a wing, if that makes sense. So next I am gonna do the cut crease. As always, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Full Coverage Eyeshadow Base. I just put like a little dab of this on the back of my hand. And I am going in with the 41 brush. This is like a nice concealer brush. Perfect for cutting your crease. So to do this, I just put it right on the lid like that, and you can even go all of the way in and then look up, and then that is the shape that you will make your cut crease, and just make it the shape that you want. And then I just kind of let it dry, and then that's probably as far that way that I'm going to take it, but then I just kind of pat in that side. With the same brush, I'm going to go in with the shade that I'm going to put there. I'm actually just going to go in with the simple champagne shade. It is a glitter shade. Just because this look is already very, I guess you could say, loud. I don't want to add too much to it and take away from it, so I just take this same brush that I used to cut the crease and just kind of apply that shade. And since it is like a glitter shade, I kind of start by just pressing it over the concealer, and then you can kind of play around and move the brush more back and forth. And that also kind of cleans up that line as well. And then I also, while I'm at it, I'll just put this glitter shade in my inner tear duct as well. And then now that the cut crease is done, I'm just gonna go all the way back in with all of those colors just to clean up the cut crease. And then I'm also going to just kind of take this blue shade and I will use that to kind of put next to the glitter. And then I'll also take some of the purple and mix that into there. Okay guys, so that is one eye complete. Super fun. I think it'd be fun like for any like raves or pride parades. Super cute. So I'm going to go finish up the other eye quick, and I do have some false lashes that I'm going to apply. It is the Cosmetics London Eyelure Vegas Nay Luxe Collection Bronze Beauty. Super cute, kind of fluffy. So I will go do the other eye and I will be right back. Okay you guys, so I have my lashes on, and so this is the final look. I actually really liked how it turned out. I did have a little trouble just kind of blending the green and the blue, but I think that's just because it is such a darker shade compared to the rest. But overall, I think that it actually turned out really good. I'm excited. I love playing with colors like this. The past couple videos, I think it's been really fun just to do looks like these since they're different and we don't really do looks like this. So I just think this has been really fun. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. So let me just give you a close-up. Okay you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and make sure you subscribe. I do post every Wednesday and Sunday, unless I tell you otherwise, which I do so in my Instagram channel, which is right here. So please follow, because I do like to interact with you guys through that app as well. And I will see you guys in the next video.